Hi lovelies, welcome back to my channel. I am Rupa and you're watching Sassy Vintage. So first of all, I would like to thank you all for making it possible. So yes, we are the family of 100 subscribers now. I'm so happy for making it possible, and this is all behalf of you that you made it possible, and you showed so much of love for me. Thank you so much. And yes, today's video will be all about how to reuse mom's old sarees. Yes, without any further ado, let's get started. Yes, the very first one is this pink saree. This color is so pretty. This color combination, I really love this color combination. As you can see, this is a pink, full of pink saree with white flowers on it, and also it has some golden glitters here, as you can see. So this is the saree part, and the pallu part is this blouse. So this blouse is made up of the pallu part. The very first way I tried was this particular bottom part of the lehenga and this shirt. This shirt is also a stitched shirt, and this shirt and this, it goes so well, as you can see in the videos. So this is a cream kurta. As you can see, the very plain, doesn't have any borders as well. So this plain kurta I styled with this bottom. This is the top and this is the bottom. This had also gone so great, and it was looking so pretty. The third way I styled was the normal lehenga. So the same blouse and this lehenga with the same golden color dupatta I wore. You can also wear, for such kind, you can also wear white netted dupatta, since I can see the golden glitters on this particular saree. So what I did was I paired it with this golden dupatta. The second one is this orange color saree. So this orange color saree has golden checks on that. So this whole saree is been made into two parts. That is, this gown type one piece is made of as a gown, and the second is made as this skirt. So this is a skirt. I paired this gown with the jhumkas and also a small neck piece. This is very good for small functions like birthday parties or some hangouts or some college functions, a small mini fest like that, a cultural fest as also. And the third one is this. So this also has a border, and the whole saree is turned into this gown. That is why the whole of this gown is so huge. This I have paired with a small earrings. And also you can pair this with a contrast dupatta. This dupatta is what I chose. Why? Because you can see here that you have a border here, so that is why this coffee color and this border goes well. That is why I paired with this dupatta, and it came out so good. And this is one of my favorite gown out of, because this color and the comfortable I feel when I wear this is very good. So that is why this is the another choice. This also goes very well with grand functions, and if you're going for as a school functions, anything like that, it is very good. And this also goes good with college functions, also small mini functions at home, and also for family get-togethers as well. So, and also going for temples, this is an awesome piece. So the next one is this black color sari. This black color sari was brought to wear as a sari itself, but unfortunately what happened was that this initially didn't had any blouse pieces with it. So we didn't check the meter of the sari. Like that only we just cut the blouse piece and we just stitched the blouse piece. So when we were yet to wear this sari, so we got to know that we just cut the whole sari, and the left part is made as this particular anarkali dress. So this I paired with leggings and a dupatta. So this is really good to go with any of the college daily wear, and also it's good to wear for some mini simple realistic functions. Also you can pair this with good jewelries if you're going for parties as such, and it really goes good with everything. And the last one is this, what I'm wearing, my favorite of all. This one gown is also made up of an old sari, as you can see this border and all. So this sari was a very old sari and also had some damages near the pallu and all those sides. You can also pair with huge jewelries to make it look really very grand. And yes, these are some different ways to reuse and style your mom's old saris. I hope you found helpful, and also if you have different ideas on how to wear it or different designs we can do it, you can always comment down below and let me know what are different styles you have made out of your mom's sari. Yes, if you are new to my channel, if you like the video, please do consider subscribing, and also like, share with your friends. It's our responsibility to reduce the things we use and recycle and reuse the same. Thank you so much for watching. I'll be meeting you in the next video. Bye.